Hi guys, this is a short video on how to draw a realistic peach. In this video, I will be using Faber Castell Polychromos color pencils, which is a set of 24, and all the materials will be listed down in the description box below. So let's get started. Using a very light hand, draw the basic outline of a peach. Here I am using an HB pencil. Try not to put too much pressure on the pencil as you do not want line marks on your drawing. I have used reference image from Pixabay. If you would like to use the same, I will put the link in the description box. For the base layer, I am using cadmium yellow and dark cadmium orange. Applying in a circular motion, use cadmium yellow for the lighter area and dark cadmium orange for the darker parts of the peach. Important thing to remember in any color pencil drawing is to apply the first few layers with a very light hand, or else it can damage the tooth of the paper. For the second layer, I am using deep red and Venetian red. First, we'll apply deep red on the darker parts of the peach skin over the dark cadmium orange. Now we will apply Venetian red on the lighter areas of the peach over cadmium yellow. For the third layer, apply magenta on the darker areas. Now using a pencil blend and a watercolor brush, I will start blending the colors together. After blending the colors, let it dry for several minutes. After it dries completely, then we'll start working on the next layer. Now we will start with a new layer. Use Venetian red on the lighter areas. Always keep an eye on your reference photograph. According to that, keep building up the lighter and darker parts. Apply the colors with light pressure. Using dark chrome yellow, cover the lighter areas. Now start layering the darker parts with deep scarlet red. Apply a very light layer of dark cadmium orange all over the peach, leaving the highlighted area. Now apply magenta on the darker parts. Now start blending the colors with pencil blend. For the leaves, I am using olive green yellowish and earth green yellowish. Start by layering olive green and earth green with a very light hand. Here I am using raw umber and black for the shadow and a very light layer of black on the peach for that dark shade. Do not apply too much pressure on the black pencil. Now start blending. Using a white pencil, start layering the edges of the peach on the left side and in the middle. For better visibility of white color, keep wiping the tip of the pencil on a tissue paper. Now I will start building up the contrast and shadows using previous colors. Using black pencil, I will start building up the shadows for the leaves. Here you can use mix of black and raw umber for the shadow. Using a white jelly roll pen, start making lines on the leaves. You can use any white gel pen you have on hand. Using a sharpened dark pencil, start making small dots all over the peach. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to my channel.